Okay, well, the first thing we're going to do when we take back the House in 2010 is not fund the bill. If we take back the House and the Senate, we're going to repeal the bill. The repeal will be overridden by the veto. When we take back the White House in 2012, we will repeal the bill and there won't be a veto. So that's how we start. But we start by reducing costs. That's what people are concerned about right now. That's the monkey on the back of the American people. So Scott and I have talked about this tort reform. Get the lawyers out of the system. We're going to greatly increase the number of healthcare providers. And I know the last time I talked about this, people took my answer and said, well, he's a communist. Please believe me, I'm not a communist. But what I want to do is, like we're doing over at the VA Center, we're hiring a lot of people who are not necessarily doctors. We're hiring a lot of physician's assistants. We're hiring a lot of nurse practitioners. We're hiring a lot of EMTs. And that's the people we need to bring in the system. We need to flood it because I'm getting older. I'm going to need health care. So are a lot of you. We're going to need a lot of people. And that's all the time I have.
You know, when we're looking at health care, it's broken. And what I'm going to be proposing and have consistently over the course of this campaign is let's let entrepreneurship, capitalism actually work. The free enterprise system. Let's allow us to be able to buy insurance across state lines. You're going to go home tonight, hear a Geico and an Allstate commercial say, we've got a lower price, a better product, and better service for your house and for your autos. Capitalism, entrepreneurship, free enterprise, it works. Let's unleash it in terms of allowing it to be able to lower those healthcare costs. We do need to be able to have tort reform. You as individuals need to have those medical healthcare savings accounts incentivized, not punished like it is under the current system. We need to make sure that as individuals we can write it off the top of our tax return, just like corporations do as well. And I'll tell you one thing that we don't need to have. We don't need the type of job creation that John Salazar is putting forward by hiring 16,000 new IRS agents to force you to get government health care. We're going to push back. Take it to the right.